What's up? It's Joe with OC Detailing, and we got another one. So last year we bought a launch edition Model Y Juniper that we turned into our Ultra Cab right here. And then this year they came out with a new one, and just like every time they come out with a new phone or a new Tesla or anything else, we couldn't help ourselves but get one of those. Alex got the new X, we're getting another one. So I wanted to talk about some of the differences, because from 1 year later, they actually did change some stuff, and it made me very sad that now my car is outdated, but I want to show you those changes. So let's start by looking at this one. This is a launch edition Juniper Y that, if we hop inside of here, you can see has this tan headliner that gets stained very easy. See how there's a few stains here and there? It's because it's light colored, and then I have kids crawling all over this car. Also, we use this car to haul around film. So they never had an option to do this in any other color, or I would have opted for a black headliner any day of the week. This one's tan, and you know, I do a dirty job. I'm working on cars, I'm crawling around on the ground, so it gets dirty, right? Also, the screen in here, which I never thought was small, it did look small though if you compare it like to the screen in the XCS or the Cybertruck, which is much larger than this. They actually made it bigger in the new one. So let's go take a look at what the new one looks like. Now they have a black headliner that's not dirty, because this car is exactly 14 hours old. It did come with a couple installed options from Tesla that my launch edition didn't come with, like a dent on the hood. That really happened. You didn't see it? Alex was like, what? So yeah, you know, I have to be so picky when I pick up customers' cars at Tesla, and I do it all the time, but when we pick up our own cars, we don't really care that much because we could just fix everything. But I was a little bit sad about this one. I should have looked, and then I got back to the shop and immediately saw a dent on the hood. But that's okay. Tesla said they're going to take care of it because they're great at that. But talking about the upgrades in here, we have a black headliner, black sun visors, or black visors, and a noticeably bigger screen. Alex will post the difference in size on here because I don't know exactly what it is. If you happen to have a dirty job, you know, work on cars, maybe you work in one of those houses where your hands get dirty because you're doing this all day, whatever it is, this black headliner will be way more forgiving. And the bigger screen will let you see better. Maybe you have stuff in your eyes from the same job and you have to squint more, but the bigger screen helps you see stuff. So little subtle upgrades that Tesla does. And if you didn't know about the Juniper, like, so things that I actually really enjoy about this car that were not in the previous gen Model Y, these lights right here. I think I talked about it when I first did the review of it, but I didn't realize that they will beat with the music, which is really fun for me and my kids. Also, the little toolbox that makes the cars fart when you walk away. I have a 5-year-old and 11-year-old. They smile every single time, so it's great to see. So Tesla kept all that fun stuff, but they did make this look a lot better with the black headliner. I think a long overdue upgrade that was needed. And they also did this because they offered their non-premium Model Y. Like they have the one without a light bar, and like it has cloth seats. So they made a entry-level Y that doesn't have all this stuff. So they wanted to make this one extra premium. So the screen's a little bigger, black headliner, and the lights and everything, which definitely does the job. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing.